I remind you of what's happened this year? You would have predicted it.
What gave you the idea, sir, of keeping animals on the moon?
I realized that I wanted to be roaming free in space. About 600,000 chimpanzees roaming free in space. In space.
Keeping animals
in space. Chimpanzees. And then, of course, a new thing called baboons on the moon. Quite a lot of young baboons. And then, of course, chimpanzees roaming free in space.
What gave you the idea, sir, of keeping animals? What kept keeping animals
in space?
Keeping animals on the moon.
Penguins, hippos.
The unthinkable.
And I wanted to be roaming free. I wanted to be roaming free in space. Chimpanzees, sea lions, quite a lot of sea lions, and then of course baboons
On the moon.
and then of course
Keeping animals
in space. Baboons.
10,000.
About 70,000 penguins, hippos, keeping animals
On the moon.
Smart suit, briefcase, brown eyes and furry face, queuing up to go to space. Smart suit, briefcase,
10,000.
brown eyes and furry face,
penguins, hippos,
queuing up to go to space.
keeping
You would have predicted it. Can I remind you of what's happened this year?
after that we started the revolution.
Can I remind you of what's happened this year? You would have predicted it.
Hippos, penguins, and then of course chimpanzees roaming free. After that we got the baboons roaming free
On the moon.
about 70,000 penguins
On
Smart suit, briefcase, brown eyes and furry face,
quite a lot of
queuing
giraffes,
up to go to space.
and then of course bears
Smart suit,